One thing I have noticed is that these days a lot of clients comes up with a lot of different themes, right? I want this, I want contemporary,
Yeah.
I want minimalistic. But then what happens actually is most of the times either the client makes us deviate or we ourselves deviate from the theme and
Yeah.
ends up doing a mix of a lot of themes. So it is very, I don't know how to say, but when it comes to interiors, what I believe is we have to focus on a particular theme that runs out to the entire
True,
space.
true. Yeah.
So starting from the foyer till the utility or the bedroom, even the washroom, where we do a vanity counter, this actually should complement each other, right?
Yeah, yeah.
The usage of wood, color tones, color palette, even the soft furnishing should blend in with the overall
Yes,
theme.
exactly.
For example, take the case of a Rattan wardrobe. It can't be randomly placed in in a
Yes,
design
yes.
where it is completely classical,
Yeah.
colonial, or even contemporary. It doesn't. It looks like it feels. It looks like it's isolated from the whole theme.
Yeah, like coming to Rattan, even I have few points to discuss. Like when it comes to Indian context, somewhere people needed that Rattan,
Yeah,
like even
yeah.
the parents' bedroom or the
Right,
puja.
right.
The complete living space would be so modern and be more contemporary style. But that one puja unit alone will be standing with a lot of Rattan involved in that, and the parents' bedroom they need Rattan. So when it comes to Rattan, there is a lot of pros and cons in using Rattan.
True.
Yeah.
Where we should use Rattan or how to use it, that is like very important actually. Basically, suppose you're using like laminate shutters and all. Now, on that you shouldn't introduce Rattan actually. See, how does Rattan basically work? It is Rattan is there, like I think it's been like 100 or 200 years before also this Rattan concept is there actually. It is like manual work basically. In each strings we have to do it manually. That is how it happens, not like a ready-made Rattan piece or something. So to do that, no, like if you are using laminate shutter and all, it is not really practical. We need a proper solid wood frame for that. Because as this is a natural material, like over a period of time, this get loose. And I have even faced people are saying that this is loose. If I punch like that, it is like going back. That is how the material is. We can't do anything with that. We can keep it like more tight. Suppose if it is getting loose, we have to tighten that material actually. For that, a solid wood frame is actually required. On the laminate shutter and all, we can't use. Then other problem you were pointing out, no, when you visited the site, the laminate inner edges and all. What was that actually?
So when we do Rattan filling or wallpaper, anything like an insert, like a CNC cutting, and then we insert these two, what happens that edge that we have to again do it with edge banding, manual edge banding that side. And again, the finish is not up to what we are expecting. So when we do it with solid wood and veneer, same shutters with same detailing, it gives a very different.
Exactly.
The
Yeah.
finishing is not perfect.
So basically, we should avoid using Rattan with laminate. We should avoid mixing Rattan with laminate shutters and all.
Yeah.
Solid wood with PU or the polish should be okay.
Yeah.
When it comes to Rattan.
And even people think Rattan is a breathable material. They tend to use it in the foyer unit or like breathable where they want that ventilation to happen.
Yeah.
Openness. And again, without sandwiches with glass, it gets loosened.
True. But when you use glass again, no, we lose that feel.
Yes.
Feel of
Yes.
that.
So we should understand or we should explain people like, okay, this is the pros and cons are there. If you're okay for that, then
We'll go.
it is fine. But realistically speaking, or like Rattan is a very good material actually. The feel which you get in Rattan is like different, but your whole home theme should be accordingly. As you mentioned, like one portion is Rattan, one portion is like veneer, or one portion is like laminate. That shouldn't be the case actually. Otherwise, Rattan is very good, but we should know where to use, with what material we should like install that.